Assalamualaikum guys, this is Nubaid and today we're opening a special gift. My parents bought me a special gift today.
Yeah, what is this?
I don't know. You guys tell me. You guys didn't tell me anything.
It's
All I know is that you were talking with my older cousin Nubaid, and is that PlayStation?
PS5.
That's a PlayStation controller. When I see it, I know what it is.
Yeah.
There's no way.
It was very good deal for Black Friday. It's Costco. So.
How did you guys get me this?
Yeah.
Well, then big thanks to Nubaid.
Yeah. Hey, inform us.
Yeah.
Can you move the box?
Okay. I'll probably. Okay, so.
Yeah. This is all wiring.
I think it all fell.
So we have to save it, okay?
I
I'll
think
set up tomorrow morning time, okay?
Okay.
You can put over there.
This is the game.
Online version.
It's God of War. I think I'll play it when I get older.
And all.
Since it's not my
guide,
age.
Nubaid, so we have to keep it, okay? We have to save it over there, okay? And which color do you like for controller? Blue and white.
Blue.
I like the blue one.
You got me a blue controller? Thank you so much, Mama. And
Ma. Yeah.
So thank you, parents. And it's already on. How did you start? Oh.
My own.
I don't know how you turned it on.
Too, okay?
You turned it on for 5 seconds.
Okay.
That doesn't mean
over then with.
we didn't even touch it yet.
This one charger.
I'm gonna. These are the colors and controllers.
Here's the charger one.
So
they have the.
So we need to put these in and then.
Okay, I put over
there.
Can you give me one?
Okay.
Wow.
There we go.
So.
Box there.
Yeah, keep the box, okay?
Just in case.
The final one. Hold it, okay? Hold the box.
Okay. What is
Hold
it?
Yes. Open your eyes.
3, 2, 1.
Can you open the side?
Hiya.
So we'll make more video game, okay?
Okay.
So nice.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah.
Put it there. Next to the controllers.
Yes. So keep it all boxes over there.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, trash.
Wait. No, we are not going to trust this one.
I think
we're going to keep it.
Just
all boxes. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Our channel.
Please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Bye bye.
And wait for more videos for FIFA 24.
No, FC24.
FC24.
They kind of changed the name, but that's okay.
Okay.
We'll also do our wood floor construction a bit later.
Yeah, we have another more videos coming up. Okay?
We cannot do any spoiler because that's bad, and you guys will probably know what it is all about and how we finished. But yeah.
So our next video is coming for floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye.